This will be a test of the reverse function safety of the garage door openers. I'm not sure what the inspector did. The door is lowering. It's going down. This box will break the sensors and cause the door to reverse. Now we'll just rearrange this and adjust this box and set it so it does not obstruct the sensors, and we'll lower the door again so that it will come in contact with the box, and it should stop and then reverse, and that's a proper safety function. Stop, reversed. Now we'll do this for the other door also. I don't know how the inspector tested, but that's the proper test. Okay, raising the other door is on the side where Wanda's car is. Let it get all the way up. And then we'll start it down again. And just like before, we'll watch, we'll see the door is lowering. I'll put the box into the I-beam. The door stopped and reversed. So we'll do the same thing. We'll position the box here so that it does not obstruct the sensor, and we'll lower the door onto it. And again, it should come in contact, stop, and then reverse. Stopped, reversed. And you can see the lights flash to indicate that it performed its function as designed. Lights are flashing on both units. The way that you reset is you just remove the obstruction and you cycle the door completely through. Same over there. Cycle the door through, and the alert condition is reset. So we'll let them both get all the way down. They slow before, they don't close all the way, they get close and then they slow and gently close. And they're also designed for that. You should also note how quiet they are. They are the quietest garage doors on the market. They have a lifetime warranty on parts for this particular garage opener.